Hi lovely people, welcome to my channel Ready Steady Eat. Today I am going to show you how to make corn and chicken chowder. Chowder is a kind of a stew, in other words it's a kind of a thickened soup with creamy base. This is perfect for lunch or even for dinners. First up, in a small saucepan, melt some butter and then saute the chicken pieces with some salt until it gets nice coating on outside, and let it cook up to 3/4 done, as it is going to be cooked more later. So we don't want to make our chicken pieces to be very rubbery. Once that is done, keep it aside. Now in a large saucepan, melt the butter over medium-high heat. Now add in the onions and saute for 2 to 3 minutes until soft. Now add in the carrots and celery and again mix it and cook for around 2 to 3 more minutes. Add the potatoes, red bell pepper and again let it cook for around 1 more minute. Now stir in the flour and saute it for a minute and add a very little stock so that no lumps are formed. Once that is done, now I am going to add in both the corns, the whole corns as well as the crushed corns, and again mix well. Add the milk now and then some water. Again mix it and add a bay leaf and then followed by the earlier fried chicken pieces. Bring it to boil for around 4 to 5 minutes and reduce heat to the simmer and cover the pot and let it cook for around 10 to 12 minutes until everything is cooked and tender. Now remove the lid and check. Next add salt, pepper and thyme and again mix well, and lastly I am going to add some fresh cream and again mix it and let it boil for 1 more minute and close the flame. Well, now I am going to serve it with some fresh cream on top and some red bell peppers. Hope you like my corn and chicken chowder. It has a quite thick and rich creamy base with chunks of corns and chicken tenders, and if you want you can also use some leftover meats or any other seafood of your choice, and this is perfect with some crackers or some toast on the side. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section below. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel Ready Steady Eat for more such lovely recipes.